Hi everyone, my name is Novi and I've been freelancing for more than 2 years already. And today I'm going to show you the basics of freelancing, especially how you can get started as a beginner. What are the essential tools that you need to invest in as a freelancer and the skills that you need to invest in. So today I'm going to show you the skills and the tools that you'll be needing in order to get started in freelancing. So watch until the end of this video. So you're going to have an idea on how freelancing works, how you can start earning from home, and this will be a shortcut to your roadmap to success. Let's go. So first, let's define what is freelancing. The freelancing means being your own boss. So you are self-employed and you offer your services online. And what are the things that you need to get started? So you only need 2 to 3 hours of spare time per day, of course, to maintain a healthy work-life balance. So we're not freelancing to work 8 hours a day. That's why I shifted from an insurance agent and a financial advisor to freelancing. I have more time to do the things that matters most. And that's what I want. I don't want my boss calling me late at night or forcing me to attend trainings, things like that. That's why I chose freelancing. But freelancing is not easy, and you have to test the waters first before you get into freelancing because freelancing is not for all people. So you have to gauge first before leaving your 9 to 5 job and get into freelancing. Okay. So, of course, you will be working internationally, so you need a working laptop and a reliable internet. So, the faster, the better. And also, freelancing needs patience and a willingness to learn. So, you have to be coachable. And the digital world is so the competition in freelancing is very high. So, you need to learn every day. And of course, you need to have basic English communication skills because it's the universal language. So you have to communicate clearly for your clients to understand you. And of course, resourcefulness and the right attitude. So you have to be resourceful because you're going to working alone. So your client will not tell you what to do. They will hire you because they need someone to do the work and get off something from their plate. So you have to have the resourcefulness and the right attitude to become successful in this career. All right. So the digital world. So you have to understand the digital business. So who hires freelancers? Freelancers are engaged by a diverse range of clients, including startups, content creators, coaches, and consultants. So these are my usual clients because I am a content creator and a digital marketer. So I help startups, solopreneurs, coaches become visible online and grow their brand online. So those are the clients that I work with. So for you to stand out in the freelancing market, consider the following skills. First, graphic design, social media management, because we're on the content era. So we're going to do a lot of content, video editing. As I've said, we're in the content era and many businesses need someone who will manage their social media accounts. That's the way they become visible online. So they need those. Community management and blog writing. So for them to rank on Google, they need to be visible in any way that they can so they can have the maximum reach and more people will see and become aware of their business. So that's how the digital business world works. And of course, website management. Almost all businesses, small, medium, large business, have a website and they need someone who will manage their website. All right. So, as a beginner, what are the services that you can offer as a beginner freelancer? First, let's define what is a niche. So, this is a specialized segment of the market, and you need to have a specific target audience. Your offering should meet their specific needs, and you have to be an expert in a specific area. So, my niche is content creations, helping startups grow online. So, those are the clients that I'm looking. Startups, coaches, solopreneurs, small businesses. So they are the ones that I want to help. Okay, so as a beginner, these are the online services that you can offer First is virtual assistants, that's for admin tasks, social media management, content writing, video editing, and customer support. So these are the beginner friendly skills that you can learn so you can get started into freelancing, right? So, what are the tools and accounts that you need to set up in order for you to begin your career as a freelancer? First is you need to have PayPal and Wise for receiving payments. So these tools are free, so you can just get started with these tools. You need to have OneDrive, Google Drive, any drive for sharing files, as long as you can share files with your client. ChatGPT, this is your AI assistant. Notion for organizing your tasks and for project management, and Canva for designing. So you need Canva to create thumbnails, social media graphics, any graphics. So this is an easy to use tool. But if you're skilled in Photoshop, that's better. But Canva is the fastest way to create graphics without any design skills. I don't have design skills, but because of Canva, I can create beautiful graphics because there are a lot of templates already available, even on the free plan, right? These are the job and networking platforms that you must create an account with. So, number one is LinkedIn. This is my highly recommended platform where you can find and network with professionals and where you can grow your online visibility as a freelancer and as an authority to your niche. So this is highly recommended. And another one is Online Jobs PH. So there are a lot of clients also posting for jobs, looking for virtual assistant, social media manager, digital marketer, and video editor. So create an account here. Optional, Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. And there are also a lot of freelancer platforms, but you need to start for at least five. You can study how it works. And the more applications you submit, more chances of getting hired. You're on LinkedIn, just connect with me on LinkedIn. Just find Novides on, and you'll find me there. Okay. All right. So that's it for this video. And so I have a complete course on Udemy where you can access the ultimate guide for freelancing, where you will learn how to create a winning portfolio, how to set your rates, how to market yourself as a freelancer. So everything is there. And also, there are practice tests there where you can use as a checklist for you to progress as a freelancer. So check out my course on Udemy, and it's in the description below. So check it out. And also check out my website at www.novidizon.com and check out the Freelancer Toolkit. So you will have an idea on how to work as a freelancer or as a digital marketer like me. So it's all there. Good luck in your freelancing career, and let's connect. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!